Hey, human, look at the time. It's officially feed me o'clock. Chop chop. Finally, some good service. Excuse me, is that another cat? I'm literally standing right here. The betrayal is real. Forget about them. I'm the main character. Now, pet me until I say stop so everyone knows who's boss. Just me and my favorite cuddle buddy. Where do you think you're going? You're my pillow for the night. Stay put. First the human, now you? Seriously. Does anyone in this house know what loyalty means? Whatever. I'm done with everyone. Dreaming about a family that actually appreciates me. Good night.